Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. And if you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. What do I have going on for today's video? Today's video, I am bringing to you a FabFitFun box, an editor's choice. This is not a sponsored video. This was just me picking up this box because I saw it on Facebook and I saw that there was a coupon code where I could get it for $29.99 instead of $49.99, and it was the editor's box, and so I thought, why not? I see these all the time on Facebook and Instagram, and so it kind of piqued my curiosity, and I thought, I'm gonna pick one up and I'm gonna try it. So that's what I'm trying today. I'm kind of anxious to see what all comes in this editor's box. So let's jump into it and let's see what fun items come in this editor's Fun Fit Fab box. Alrighty, I have not opened this yet, so I am anxious to see what comes inside of this. Okay, so it looks like there is some kind of a newsletter by FabFitFun, and like it says, it is the editor's box. I don't know if there's a difference in these boxes. Oh, very fun. This is something I will read later. Then it looks like it shows what is in the box on this card. I'm not gonna look at this right now because I wanna be surprised. And a coupon code for $10 off. Here. So if you're interested in it, you can use that coupon code and you can receive $10 off one of these boxes. Ooh, I am excited. This looks like it is filled with lots of fun things. Okay, so we have got a hair wrap towel. That is cool. Should I open it? Let's see. Oh, very cool. To put your hair in when it's wet. That looks really easy to use, actually. Very cool. I like that. And it's terry cloth. That is cool. And it shows instructions here on the front on how to use it if you don't know how to use it. Let's see. Ice Baby Hot and Cold Gel Pack. Oh, that is cool. Minimize swelling and reduce damage. Oh, really cool. So this is just a really neat hot and cold pack. It says if you want to use this for heating, to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. And to keep doing it every 10 seconds until you reach the temperature you want it to be. That is really cool. Or to put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. That is really neat. This would have been really handy when Kayla was playing soccer. This here says that it is an intensive exfoliating treatment by Kate Somerville. That's kind of cool. Ooh, and that's a really nice size bottle. It comes with a really nice size bottle. It is 1.7 fluid ounces, and it smells really good. That is cool. I am excited to try that. Double Duty Beauty. Not sure what that is. Oh, it looks like maybe an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at that. Look at how, oh, those are my colors too. I love it. I did fill out a survey that asked about what colors I like, so I like that they customize the box to you, that they fit it to you, because that would have been disappointing had I received eyeshadows that I'm not comfortable using. And it comes in this real cute packaging. That is really stinking cute. I love that. This bottle says, don't despair, repair, and it's a conditioning mask, but reading on the back, it is for your hair. So after you shampoo your hair, you massage this into your scalp and leave it for 15 minutes. That is really cool. I love that they sent me something for hair. And let's see here. Ooh, this is very heavy. And they sent me an eye mask. I love this. It feels like there's gel in it. And it's heavy. Let's see. Oh, wow. That feels really nice. Oh, that is cool. I love that. And I love eye masks. So, and it looks like maybe this can go in the fridge or the freezer. Yeah, you could do that, I bet. I like that. So maybe you can put this in the freezer and cool it off. There is a gel in there, but there aren't any instructions on it. So maybe I can look this up online. That is really neat. I like that. And the front of it is like a leather. Very cool. They sent me some kind of a bag here, a tote bag. I love the colors. Oh, it is a nice size tote bag at that. Oh, I love that. And it has a zipper. Oh, very nice. Look at that. It is a nice size tote bag. And I'm loving the colors. I love the handle. That is really nice. I love that. This will come in useful. Very cute. And it looks like there is one last thing here. I'd rather be in bed. What is this? Oh, I'd rather be in bed. Look at how cute that mug is. And I love coffee, and this is a nice size mug. How cute is that mug? I love that. I gotta say, I am loving all the fun things that came in this FabFitFun box, the editor's edition. I absolutely love this bag. I think this bag is definitely gonna come in handy, especially when going to the beach this summer. I think that that is perfect. I love this mug with the sleepy eyes, and it says, I'd rather be in bed, because that's probably true when I am drinking my first cup of coffee in the morning. Although I don't know what this eye mask does, I am really excited to look it up by the company and see what it is exactly intended for, if it's just for sleeping or if it is like a cool compress for your eyes. Either way, I love this. I love the color. I love the feel of it. I love the quality, and wow, that is really cool. I love these eyeshadows that have been sent to me. I am always in need of a color palette of browns and beiges and creams because I love that brown smoky eye look. And so I'm not one who ever really mixes up the colors on my eyes too much. I usually stick with the earth tones and the smoky look. And so this is perfect for that. I might try it, I might not. I might give it to Kayla to try. I'm kind of picky about what I put on my face, and so we'll see about this. And the hair mask, not too worried about my hair, so I will definitely be trying this. And the hot and cool gel pack, love it. I think this was definitely worth $29, and I think if I even paid $49 for it, I think that I still got a lot of really neat things for $49. So will I try this again? I think I definitely will. And I gotta be honest, I'm not super sure how often this box gets sent to me, so that is definitely something I need to look up so I know. I just saw that it was for $29.99 and thought, hey, I wanna try this. I see everybody else trying it. It looks like something fun, and I love receiving boxes where I don't know what I'm getting. And so this was fun. And like I said before, this is not a sponsored video. It was just me wanting to do something fun because I had seen this so much on social media. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this FabFit Editor's box that I received in the mail. I love everything it came with. It definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I hope this video gets a thumbs up from you, and maybe we can get this video to 1,500 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.